Hi, welcome to your channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host Mohar, and I'm back today with another very inspirational story for all of you. The inspirational story I brought for you today on your very own channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant is about Dr. Mannabi Bandyopadhyay, India's first transgender lecturer, PhD, and then moving on to becoming India's first principal transgender. Amazing, inspirational. I will surely share more with you about her in this video. But before we go on to her story, I wanted to share a brief about our channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant with you. All those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel or have come onto the channel for the first time, could I request you kindly do subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to encourage the present and coming generations to live by the eternal human principles such as integrity, honesty, respect for womankind, diversity, dignity. These are all principles etched in stone and do not change over time and place. Living a life with these human principles is the only sure shot way to success. Towards encouraging the present and coming generations to live by the eternal principles, we share regular videos with you on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. And we have also got a Facebook group and WhatsApp group which has about 850 and 210 members respectively, where we share daily inspiration. So please do share these videos with your friends and family and also encourage them to subscribe to the channel. Coming back to our story, Dr. Mannabi Bandyopadhyay. She was born in 1966 in Nihati, West Bengal, to an educated and cultured family as Somnath Bandyopadhyay. From a very young age, she, along with her two sisters, displayed feminine habits, girlish habits, and she showed more and more inclination towards being a girl. This irked her father very much as he wanted Somnath to be a son and earn a good living to ensure the proper marriage for his sisters. Towards this resolving this conflict, Somnath visited psychiatrists. Psychiatry was at its nascent stage then, and they could not advise her properly. Finally, in 2003, Somnath underwent a sex change operation and also completed her MA in Bengali. She also attended multiple counseling sessions to help her overcome her difficulties. Her first job was in Vivekananda Centenary College, Jargam, as a lecturer, and she also briefly married a man, but the couple separated and they have an adopted child. She says, "For me, it's a long battle against ignorance. There was a time when even my own father threatened me with dire consequences as I'm a transgender." She says she spent her childhood in Nadia, and post her appointment as a principal, it's been a comeback to her home with pride and dignity after a long battle. She became West Bengal's first transgender to complete her PhD, and also their post that go on to becoming a transgender principal. She also runs a magazine which she started in 1995, Abo Manav, which is an annual magazine in the support of the transgender community. It's been in running for over 25 years now. She was an associate professor in Bengali after doing her MA in Bengali in Vivekananda Sato Bakshi Mahavidyalaya, where she also did her MPhil. But she struggled a lot with her colleagues and students, and she got attacked, insulted, and depressed many times during her teaching career there. She chose to move out and completed a PhD from Jadavpur University in 2005, with the convocation being there in 2006. She got appointed as the principal of Krishnanagar's Women's College on 7 June 2015 on her merit of 16 years teaching career and her degree of PhD. A gentle push was required for the college administration from West Bengal's Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. She is a devotee of Sarda Devi and initiated into spiritual life by Swami Atma Thananda. She has written several books in Bengali literature. She wrote an autobiography, A Gift of Goddess Lakshmi, on her journey from her childhood to her PhD and going on to become India's first transgender lecturer and college principal. In 2019, she acted in her first film, Purbo Paschim Dakshin, directed by Rajashri De. In 2003, after her sex change operation and counseling sessions, she became much more comfortable with herself. It is, however, sad to note that in December 2016, she was forced to resign from her post of principal of Krishnanagar Women's College in view of staunch opposition to her from her own students and colleagues in the teaching staff. Friends, Dr. Manabi Bandyopadhyay, a transgender who has written her name in gold in the annals of Indian transgender history. Friends, I'm sure all of you enjoy and are inspired by these inspirational videos which I bring for you on a regular basis on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I request you once again, please do subscribe to the channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant, and also share these videos with your friends and family. Request them to subscribe so that they too are motivated to live by the eternal human principles. Till we meet again with another inspirational video on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Good luck, all the best, stay safe.